Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to download and install Stockfish Chess Engine. So first, just simply go to google.com and search for Stockfish Engine and just simply click on the first one. And now from here, as you can see, you should be able to download the latest version over here. So they have the 17 now, so just simply click on that. And from here, just simply click on this one. And from here, just simply go for the Windows over here. And now I'm going to choose the faster one, which is this one. And just simply install it. Once you have installed it, just simply go to your downloads and just simply click on this one. And after that, just simply right click on it and click on extract here. You will have this file over here. Just simply go to Google again and just simply search over here Arena Chess. And just simply click on this one, Arena Chess GUI. And after that, just simply scroll down and just simply download the latest version over here. And from here, you will have this option over here. Just simply click on keep and it will download. Now guys, once it is done, just simply click on this one and right click on it and click on extract here. Now, once you have extracted it, you can just simply go ahead and open the app over here. And from here, just simply select a language. I'm going to go for English. And now from here, just simply click on engines. And from here, just simply click on install new engine. Now from here, guys, just simply go for the downloads and just simply select the Stockfish and click on open. And click on this one over here and click on open. And from here, just simply click on yes. And from here, it will load up the Stockfish and you can just make a move. And as you can see, the Stockfish will identify it and it will make a move. And as you can see, and now in order for you to change it into the white, you can just simply click on this icon over here. And as you can see, it will move the white as well. And there you go. I hope this video helped you out. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.